Traineeships Learner of the Year Level 1, Nicholas McEwen. 18-year-old Nicholas McEwen from Bangor is now on the path to fulfilling his dream after bullying at school left him with very low self-esteem. He went to the Military Preparation College in Bangor, aiming to improve his confidence and communication skills. Since joining, his confidence has improved dramatically, and Nicholas has now applied to be a gunner in the Royal Artillery. If his application is unsuccessful, he's also secured a place on a vehicle mechanics course to help him achieve his Army aspirations. And all exams have been successfully completed with just one remaining. Ashley Collman. Ashley Collman from Cardiff has shown remarkable commitment to making life better for himself after a rocky start. He was taken out of primary school and was homeschooled, then had to leave home at a young age. With no GCSEs and limited prospects, Ashley started an engagement program with ACT training, which helped build his confidence. After progressing to his Level 1 traineeship, he secured a placement at commercial law firm Darwin Gray, where he impressed bosses so much they've now offered him an apprenticeship. Rebecca Cooper. A young woman from Holyhead has landed a job she loves through sheer determination and hard work. Leaving school without qualifications, 18-year-old Rebecca Cooper decided to try work-based training in hairdressing to earn while she learned. She found her first work placement to be challenging. However, her ambition to succeed meant that her attendance record at Coleg Menai was excellent, and she progressed quickly through her qualifications. She then secured a placement that turned everything around. Jan Barry at Vision Hair Salon connected with Rebecca in a way that nobody had before. She responded well to Jan's advice and now deals with customers in a confident and professional way.